Are you looking forward to delete a song from your Instagram post? If yes, then let's see if it is possible or not in this video. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram profile on your device. Now, once opened, tap on the video or the post that you want to delete a song from, and then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on the edit option you see there. Here, as you can see, as of now, there's no option to remove the song anywhere. So, in order to delete a song, there is no actual process as of now. However, stay connected with us and we will update you as soon as Instagram allows you to delete a song from your Instagram post. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.